Hey, how you doing? Austin here. Obviously, you can tell. Hey, I'm not at my studio in Dallas. Actually, I am. It's a really, absolutely fantastic green screen. No. So, hey, I'm in Cabo, San Lucas, down in Mexico. Down here for a 4 or 5 days for a very, very close family friend's daughter's wedding tonight. And so I've literally been trying to find places to record for you guys to, because I support Clear as well as my channel. Support Clear with videos because I believe wholeheartedly in their vision and what they're trying to do for crypto. And that's just something that I am doing and firmly believe in. But also, if you're interested in Clear, if it's the first time you're learning about it or seeing it, there's links in the description below. Definitely check out their socials, especially their Discord, their Twitter page. You can get all the information. All launch information will be shared in their Discord whenever Clear does launch. So there you go. Okay, so in this video, I want to talk about, oh, by the way, you're going to get sunglasses because I got the sun coming in and I'm literally blind without them. So I apologize. I've had to move to get good lighting. It's a whole thing. So, and I got audio. I got people walking by. There's people walking by everywhere. There goes. See, there's a guy literally on cue. He did that. I called him. No, I'm kidding. All right. So I want to talk to you about Shiba Inu and the fact that they were able to do something this year in 2022, despite, we all know, a pretty bad economic landscape as far as the overall crypto. The overall crypto lost, went from north of $2+ trillion market capitalization down to 900 billion and change is where we're at right now. But the fact that Shiba Inu was able, was able to add over 100,000 holders in 2022. That is actually a big thing, right? That's actually a really important thing to talk about. The fact that 100,000 holders so far, and by the way, 22 obviously is not done, we're able to come in and become new, new Shiba Inu holders, despite obviously we all know a very rough and rocky economic landscape is a good thing. I think this is a big deal. So I just wanted to again make you aware of this. This is something that's out there, and it's something that if you didn't really know about it, you weren't paying attention. Oh, I'm trying. There you go. There's a tree here. So there you go. Trying to get. Well, there you get it. This is important, okay, and this is important. It goes again to the strength and the foundation that is SHIB. Shiba Inu has evolved and just continues to evolve as a project, as a token, as an initiative. All I've talked about this in many other videos. The vibrant ecosystem they have, the fact that they're delivering on the roadmap. They delivered the Shiba Eternity game a couple of weeks ago. It's done well. It's crossed over 100,000 downloads on the Google Play Store. It's done well. Oh, see, there goes. That's a lifeguard. There's two. See, there you go. You can't make this up. There you go. That's what I love about recording. Yeah, these guys are back here having their own conversation. We could probably listen in and see what they're talking about. I don't know. Maybe. All right. So, hey, if it's an Austin video, you got to have fun with it. And so it's been interesting because I'm staying at a hotel where they keep turning on the music in the background, and I have to move, and I can't because you can't have music in YouTube videos. It's a whole thing because then you get copyright strikes and all that kind of stuff. So it's been interesting recording these videos. But you can see that's actually a pretty yard view and pretty cool view. Side note here, you can't go in the ocean. You literally cannot go in the ocean here because the rip currents will just pull you out almost immediately. So there's people out on the beach and they're like, nobody's even putting a foot into the ocean. So there you go. There's a little interesting fact. You came here for a Shiba Inu video and now you got two lifeguards talking in the back and me talking about how you can't go in the ocean. There you go. So we'll end on that. If you're interested in learning more about Clear, links in the description below. Check it out. Definitely get involved in their Discord over there. All the Discord's going to have all the launch information and everything's going to be down there for you. So check that out. I'm going to go. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.